Friends, running kimono here. So we're going to talk about the $10 of Walgreens cash when you spend 10 in-store booster. So for the deals I'm going to show you, I think most of them have register rewards associated. So I'm going to recommend that you do these in store, but all of this magic is free. You have to pick the deal that you want to do with the booster. I know a good amount of you got this booster. I unfortunately didn't get it on mine or my husband's store card, but I'm hoping it might show up before Thanksgiving Day. And it's valid from the 24th, which is Thanksgiving, valid Friday the 25th and the 26th. So pick a day you want to use it. And here's a couple rules for you. So it's valid again in that window from the 24th to the 26th. And you have to spend $10 to earn it because it is a spend booster. So for the balance, use your debit card, credit card, or bills. And if you have a paper booster and you wish to stack the paper in the digital, it should work. Do not use any Walgreens cash or store register rewards or IVCs to pay down the balance or it will mess everything up. And it's also of a one-time use. So pick the deal wisely, which one you want to do. And I really hope that all of us get something before Thanksgiving Day. Wouldn't that be nice? Because there was no digital booster this week for us, so we'll have to wait and see. Deal that we're going to look at, guys, is on the Pantene using the 10 back when you spend 10. So obviously you're going to need the booster loaded. Look for this too at the top of your digital coupons folder. Again, I didn't receive one. I know a lot of you did receive it though. So for this deal, we're going to load this 3 back when you buy 3, along with picking up 3 of these conditioners. If you've ever tried it, it's a little bit of magic in a bottle. Grabbing 3 of these Pantenes for 15 on the nose, subtracting that 3 off of 3 digital, and make sure you have your booster loaded, which is 10 back when you spend 10. You're going to pay $12 with your debit card, as that's a spend booster. Get back $10 in Walgreens cash and a $4 register reward at the till, making this free plus a $2 money maker. Do not use any Walgreens cash or store register rewards to pay down the balance or it will mess everything up. Okay, so looking at the next deal, let's grab 2 of these massive Tresemmes. They are 2 for $12 this week. Again, we have our best friend loaded, which is 10 back when you spend 10. Tossing 2 of them in your basket, we also have this digital coupon, which is a 5 off of 2, a very generous coupon. So looking at the mathematics for this, 2 of the Tresemmes for $12, subtracting that 5 off of 2, make sure you have your booster loaded. You're paying $7 with your debit card, getting back $10 in Walgreens cash plus a $4 register reward, making this free plus a $7 money maker. Let's not forget, as you're using a booster, do not use any Walgreens cash or store register rewards to pay down the balance. Now, for the ladies and gents who love Olay, this is your opportunity to get some free Olay. And if this appears in my wallet, I'm definitely going to grab the Olay. So grabbing 3 of these body washes, we need our booster loaded as well. That's $21. And then we have this, which is a 3 off of 2 digital. Please make sure you have it loaded. Go over to your IBOTTA account. There's this very generous $5 back when you buy 3. So yeah, make sure you have that guy loaded. Looking at the math for this, 3 of these is 21, subtracting that digital coupon, along with having your booster loaded, 10 back when you spend 10. You're paying $18 with your debit card, getting back $10 in Walgreens cash, a $4 store register reward for buying 2 of these body washes, and then $5 back from IBOTTA, making this free plus a $1 money maker. Remember not to use any Walgreens cash or store register rewards as you're using that goofy booster with this dealio. Now we're going to look at a quick little deal with the Dawn Power Wash with the booster, so you need to load your booster right away. They are $5.49 each. We're going to put 2 in our basket, and then we have this digital coupon, which is very generous, which is $2.25 off. So please make sure you have this guy loaded. Grabbing 2 of those power washes, it's $10.98. We have our booster loaded, 10 back when you spend 10. We have our 1 digital coupon. With your debit card, you're paying $8.73, getting back $10 in Walgreens cash, making your 2 power washes free, plus a $1.27 moneymaker. Remember not to use any Walgreens cash or store register rewards as you're using a spend booster. The final deal, you need your best friend loaded, which is 10 back when you spend 10. And I'm so jealous of all you ladies and gents who got this booster. For this deal, we're going to grab 2 of the Wick oil replacements. And we have this very generous BOGO free coupon, which is subtracting $2.50. This week in store, these plugs are $11 for the two. Over on IBOTTA, we have $1.50 back for both. So you're going to get $3 back, $1.50 per. Sorry, I didn't explain that well. So two of these refills is $11, subtracting that digital coupon. Make sure you have your booster loaded. Pay $4.50 with your debit card, get $10 back in Walgreens cash, get $3 back from IBOTTA. It makes it free plus an $8.50 moneymaker. Remember not to use any Walgreens cash or store register rewards or it will mess everything up. But this is called extreme couponing when you can get an $8.50 moneymaker rocking and rolling for you. Make sure if you're doing deals with IBOTTA that you have the rebates and have fun with this booster, guys. As always, thanks for watching and happy Thanksgiving, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.